Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, 2 days after a big sell-off, we've seen a big rebound today. S&P up 14 points so far. VIX down over $2, back into the teens. VIX futures also dropping quite hard. You could tell something was different when the market opened today in the VIX. Currently, not only have we seen a run-up in the VIX cash over the past couple weeks in the VIX futures, also volatility has been expanding and expanding hard. Into the close yesterday, the May 40s were bid, May 35s, the sort of protection that people just haven't been coming after for the past couple months. Today, we've seen a big reduction in implied volatility on May VIX options. I've been tracking the volatility on the May 20 line and the May 22.5 line. Both volatilities have come down 9 points. You could tell first thing in the morning, the May 20 straddle was quoted. And instead of just nailing the bid, the seller tried to massage it. They tried to sell it for $395, then $390, then $385, then $380. The whole time there were electronic trades going up on the bids, and the crowd was fading lower and lower. Currently, that straddle is 3/2 at 70. So you could just see the volatility melt away. You could see the fear come out of the options. So it's not that people are now saying they don't expect any sort of move in the VIX, any sort of move in the market, but it's a lot lower than what we were seeing yesterday. One big trade today came in May, and you could view this as directional, or you could view it as just firming up implied volatility. The May 18 puts, we had a buyer of 70,000 for 80 cents. Now those had been sold a couple weeks ago. Someone buying them now, 70,000 times 80 cents. It did a couple of things. It moved the VIX futures lower, and it firmed up implied volatilities. With the VIX future at 20, if someone's still buying that 18 put for 80 cents, people are saying, well, we really could see a move down, we could see a move up. And that kind of stopped the crash of implied volatilities and gave us a level that things are now trading at. Now we're seeing buyers in the May 19, 21 strangle. We're seeing buyers of upside calls. So things seem to have settled in a little bit here, down quite a few vol points. That's what we have going here. It'll be interesting to see how the market moves the rest of the day, and if we see implied volatility coming back up when the VIX, that means people assigning a higher probability of big VIX moves, or it coming down a little bit and people think it might sit here around 20 or 19. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.